Zandile, come talk to me, my child.
I just lost my mother. No more food is it. First my dad passed away when I was only 3 years. And now it's my mother. I'm in jail and orphan.
No, don't say this. Remember, there is no orphan in Christ. Remember the book of Psalm 68 verse 5. The Lord says he's the father of the fatherless, defender of the widow.
After 3 months, Zandile's mother has been buried. Now Zandile is living with the abusive aunt and her 2 cousins. It's a Sunday morning, so Zandile is having some breakfast. So she will not attend the church service with an empty stomach.
Zandile is wasting our bread. Ma, Zandile is wasting our bread.
Oh, come on, Zipo. Zandile is one of us now. Can't you just admit that and leave it alone?
Zandile, who gave you permission to make that?
But I only took 2 slices and I didn't use butter.
So that is my fault!
Exactly, Mom. She must do the dishes also and prepare us our breakfast. Not forgetting that my uniform is dirty. It needs some touch.
With all due respect, I'm sorry, Auntie, I can't do it right now because it's Sunday, so I'm going to church.
Church for what? You are full of nonsense, yes!
Killed Zandile because she even used heavy objects beating her. Namusa tried as her rescue, but as the youngest, she fell. But finally, they managed to run away from the evil woman and went straight to church.
Oh my goodness, what's happened to you, Zandile? No, wait, you mean it was Mom Zonda who did it to her?
Yes! She didn't want me to come here, she wanted me to stay away from these places.
Oh, forgive her, Lord. The she doesn't know her own doings. Don't worry, my child. Remember us, that's the book of Exodus 22, verse 22 to 23. Say about taking advantage of the parents. What is it saying?
Exodus 22, verse 22 to 24. Do not take advantage of those who are fatherless. Because they will cry out and I will certainly hear them cry. My anger will be aroused. I will kill you with the sword. Your wives will become widows, and your children will become fatherless.
Exactly. Now be strong and come pray with us.
The Lord is my shepherd. And
Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those trespasses against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power, and the glory, forever and ever. Amen.
The Lord is my shepherd. I lack nothing. He makes me lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside quiet waters. He refreshes my soul. He guides me along the right path for his name's sake. Even though I walk through the darkness valley, I will fear no evil. Your rod and your staff, they comfort me. You prepare the table before me in the presence of my enemies. You anoint my head with oil. Surely your goodness and love will follow me all the days of my life. I will do well in the house of the Lord forever and ever. Amen.
Police, 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 la mangueva. Oh, one causing the